In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your calendar events flowing straight into Airtable, so your schedules and tables stay aligned with almost no upkeep. Start inside the Airtable base and table where you want your calendar events to appear. Look to the top left of the interface for the Add or Import option. Depending on your view and screen size, this can look like a button near your field headers or a plus-style option in the toolbar. Click it to open Airtable's Data Sources panel. This is where Airtable gathers options for bringing information in from other apps. When the panel opens, you'll likely see a small list of popular sources first. To access the full catalog, click the link that says something like 26 more sources. The exact number can vary, but the idea is the same. You're expanding the full list of connectors so you can search for what you need. Use the search bar in that panel to type Google Calendar. This is the fastest way to find the official connector without scrolling. As soon as it appears in the results, select it. Choosing Google Calendar here tells Airtable you want to sync events from your calendar into your table. Next, Airtable will walk you through a quick authorization flow so it can securely talk to your Google account. Follow the prompts on screen. You'll typically sign into your Google account, review the permissions Airtable requests, and confirm access. If you use more than one Google account, make sure to pick the one that owns or has access to the calendar you need. You may also be asked to choose which specific calendar to connect, like your primary calendar or a shared team calendar. If your organization has admin controls or two-factor authentication, complete those steps as prompted. Granting only the minimum necessary access is a good practice, and you can adjust or revoke permissions later from your Google account settings if needed. Once you finish the prompts, Airtable establishes the connection and begins pulling in your events. You should see records appear in your table with details like event titles, start and end times, and other basic fields, updating on Airtable's normal sync schedule. If you don't see the add or import option or the connector is blocked, check that you have the right permissions in the base or contact your workspace admin. That's all it takes. You've connected Google Calendar to Airtable and set up a reliable pipeline for your scheduling data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save keeping everything in one place.